What's up guys, welcome to another video of the Tech is 50. In this video, I'm going to share some tips for your Samsung Galaxy A12, which will make your experience more smooth and enjoyable with the Galaxy A12. So for that, let's jump to the table. For the first tip, I will give it the name of Bubbles. By activating this feature, you will get the notifications bubble. Remember the Facebook's Messenger? Yes, like it. You can now activate the bubbles for other messaging apps, including the phone's own message app. Let me show you how. First of all, go to the settings, then scroll down in the settings menu, and at the bottom of the menu you will see the advanced features option. Open it. Then the second option you will see on this page is the smart pop-up view. Open it. Here you will see all the installed messaging apps at the top, like Telegram, WhatsApp, and even phone's own messaging app. Here activate the app from which you want to get the notification bubble. By activating this, you will get the bubbles on the screen when your app will receive a new message. Other apps are also available, but the Samsung suggests to use this feature only for the messaging apps. Second tip is related to the side key. When I will press this power button twice at the same time, it will open the camera app for me. Here you can see. But you can set your own favorite app also. Let me show you how. First of all, go to the settings and scroll down. Open the advanced features. Then at the top you will see the option of side key. Open it. Here by default the camera is selected. Make sure to turn on this feature and then go to open app option. Here you will get mostly installed apps. You can select your favorite app that you want to open quickly by pressing the power button twice. I selected the calculator and here you can see it's working great. And the third tip is the dual app. If you have two Facebook or the WhatsApp accounts, then by this feature you can use them on one phone at the same time. For that, first of all go to the settings and scroll down and open the advanced features. Then scroll down and here you will see the option of dual messenger. Please open it. Here you will see some social apps that you already installed on your phone, like WhatsApp, Facebook, Telegram, and the messenger. Just turn on the option of any app of which you want to use your second account. Suppose that I am activating WhatsApp. When I will activate it, it will ask the permission for installing another WhatsApp. Press install to give it the permission. After installing, you will see this orange mark with the app icon, which indicates the second installed app. This will help you to identify the second app that you installed from your phone's app menu. Here you can see. So by this you can enjoy two WhatsApp accounts at the same time. So enjoy. And the fourth tip is the fingerprint gesture. When I will move my thumb or the finger on the power button from top to down, it will drag down the quick toggle. And when you will move your thumb from down to up, it will close the quick toggle. It is very helpful when you are operating your phone with your one hand. Let me show you from the front side. Here you can see when I will move my thumb from the top to down, it will open the quick toggle. When you will repeat this, it will expand the quick toggle. When you move up, it will close the quick toggle. Now let me show you how you can activate this. First of all, go to the settings, scroll down, open the advanced features, scroll down and open the option of motions and the gesture. On this page, second last option you will see is the fingerprint sensor gesture. Just activate it to get this feature. So now you can open the quick toggle with the power button. Fifth tip is the smart stay. Imagine you are reading long important message or the email and your phone screen turn off automatically after 30 seconds. It will definitely irritate us. So now we have the option of smart stay. By activating this, your phone will detect your eyes from the selfie camera and it will keep the screen on until it sees or detects your eyes. To turn on this feature, go to the settings, then scroll down and open the advanced features. Move down and open the motions and the gesture. Here you will see the third option, which is smart stay. Just activate it. And now you can easily read your long messages or the emails. And the sixth tip is the double tap to wake. If you are using your phone on the table, then you can easily wake up your screen by double tapping on the screen instead of picking up your phone and pressing the power button. Here you can see it's working awesome. To activate it, go to the settings, then scroll down to the advanced features, then move down and open the motions and the gestures. Here you will see the second option, which is smart stay. Turn it on to enjoy the double tap feature. And now it's time for the last tip. Last but not least, because it's related to your privacy. Open the settings, scroll down, and in the center of the settings menu, you will see the option of privacy. Please open it. Here you will see the bunch of options that I will recommend you to explore. But today I am talking about the permission manager, which is at the top. Please open it. Here you will see your different phones feature like call, log, camera, microphone, and under their names you will see how many apps have permission to use that feature. Like here you can see 11 out of 34 apps have the permission to use your camera. And same for the contacts. 10 out of 38 apps have the permission of contacts. Let me show you more. Let's open the camera. Here you can see which apps have the permission for the camera at the top. You can easily know here which apps are using your camera. And even you can remove the permission from the app that you want. Like I'm going to remove the Instagram from the allowed apps, open it and tap on the deny and go back, and now Instagram does not have this permission. You should visit your permission manager to check which apps have which permission if you really care about your privacy. So these were the tips for your Samsung Galaxy A12. If you enjoyed these tips and found it helpful, then make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.